Alright folks, how's it going? Welcome back to Hobie Cat Days. Haven't done a video for a while, but this is the Montalto Marathon, which is from Somers down to Flinders and back. I'll put the map on the video so you can see where we're going. A bit of an endurance race. Did it last year on the 18, so if you go back a few videos you should see it when me and Nigel took the Hobie 18. But today we're back on our trusty 16. Good turnout here from Somers. Again, this is all the clubs on Western Port, so we've kind of got Somers, Merrick, Balnarring, Flinders, different starting points. We're starting at Somers and going all the way to Flinders and back. So yeah, let's just film it and see what happens. Hopefully the breeze will come up. We've got probably like 7 to 10 knots at the moment, hoping it'll come up to 15 so we can get some 2 out and wire, but I don't know if I'm too hopeful for that, so yeah. Alright. Alright, not much wind here for the start. We're just going to try and get in a position. It's going to be a port start because it's definitely port bias. We wouldn't make it out and start, but I'm sure there's... Yeah, we're good. That's nice. Alright, not a bad start at all actually. Right up the other side, on the other side. I'm assuming that's the boy down there. Yeah, I would say. Alright, we're off. Alright, so absolutely no wind at the moment, but that's alright, it'll come. Now we're going to try and chase all these boats down. Can you see what the next move is after the map? Oh yeah, okay. Now what to do here? Whether we should I don't know where the gate is, that's the problem.
I think just keep going straight through the wind until we get vision on where the gate is.
I'm pretty sure it's where all those boats are coming through now, so I'm thinking whether we should tuck off. Problem is I don't want to get caught in these pockets in near the land because it just dies out. I'd rather probably tuck, then come back at that middle gate. See, like if you look at Stuart and that, like see how much they're struggling.
Yeah.
So I'm almost like, let's tuck, go out, then come back at it. What do you reckon? We've got nothing to lose, like. Should we do it? Yeah, I reckon we're probably better off going now. You ready? Yeah? Here we go. Tucking. Good one. Let's go. Good one. Give us the breeze. That's what I'm coming out here for. Can you see that gate at all? Or just look for where the boats are coming through. Have a look at that map. Where's the map? That's Point Leo there.
So it should be directly on that. Maybe a couple of Ks, few Ks.
Okay, it's knocking us here. Probably going to go further than we think because that tide's going to be running back in. try and lay it from here. Can you pass it out to me just so I can have a squeeze? Yeah, okay, so it is directly off. Maybe we go and then if we have to tack again we will, alright? Yeah. Here we go. Tack. Right, jib on. That's it, good stuff. We might make it, I'm not sure yet. Alright, so we're out in the middle of Western Port near Middle Cone. Not doing too badly, wind came up. See if you can hear me.
It's swell out here, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, now we're getting into the ocean, that's why. Alright, I think we can put the tack in a sec. Alright, you ready? Here we go. Yeah, okay, you ready? Here we go. But I've also got this F18 on my arse, so we're going to tack into him on port. You ready? Here we go. I'm going to point slightly higher though to start off with. Oh, your way down. Let's. Now we're rocking.
23.2 kilometers per hour.
Not bad.
23.2 kilometers.
Killing it, right? I tell you. Just gotta make sure. I don't know what's gonna happen at Flinders. It normally sucks into a massive hole. Alright, rocking it into Flinders now. We should be in the lead, probably on yardstick. Got Tim and Gnomes back there, cranking it. Flinders just in front of us, so that's good. Tack here, go behind the F18, 3, bit further, 3, 2, 1, here we go. This good, down on the wire here. Let me get out first. Yeah, you can probably grab my traveller if you can. That's fine. Good. Bring a come back just a little bit. Is that the right cone I'm going for there?
Yeah.
And then where do we go from Middle Cone? Oh yeah. I'll put it back in there. Go. Don't worry to stay out there. Use your legs to kind of come in a little bit. Just Alright, let's have a look on the map. Can you show us the map? Where are we now? We're on our way back. We're at North Cone, heading for that middle gate, which is the half marathon. We're doing pretty well. I think we'll get this on handicap if we keep up. I'm trying to work out if that's Pete Poulsen in the Mosquito. I think it is. If it is, then we've got it. Now we're looking through that middle gate. That's going to be a problem. Here we are at North Cone, passing that. Pretty nice speed at the moment. Check your telltales, set them up for this leg. Put it out a bit. We're probably more on a take your weight forward a bit. The worst thing here is we miss it. I'm looking at where that mosquito is down there, but we'll keep a little bit of height. Between Summers Yacht Club Mark and Summers Yacht Club Race Towel. Yeah, there you go.
It's definitely that, or not the one down there.
No, it has to be. Surely. Yeah, there's Nigel motoring too. Alright, there you go folks, we're across. Well done. Well done honey, good job. Alright, well that was the Montalto Marathon. That should give us the win hopefully on the handicap. I think it's going to be close, but yeah, that was a good sail. Wind came up a bit too, so that was nice in the end. So even beat an F18, which is always good. Hang on, where am I?
Yeah, go.
Better concentrate or we're going to hit a reef here.